Hey guys, I'm Morgan here. Mother Nature just does not give a fuck at all. I live in Wisconsin and basically this is like, winter here is just December you have like snow, January you have freezing cold weather, February you have maybe a little bit of snow, March you have the melting weather. This time a week ago, it was like negative 40 degrees out, freezing cold, bundling up weather, cars not starting weather. And now it's like 30 degrees plus, snow's melting. This is like some March weather or some shit, okay? Over the weekend, it was freezing rain. Like at 5 o'clock, it was like raining. At 5:10 when we left my friend's house, it was pouring. It was like pouring rain and it was like ice and everyone was slipping and sliding. Tires weren't getting any traction. It was so bad. And now all that's melting. It's like, the fuck you doing, Mother Nature? Like, I don't even know. I hate living in Wisconsin. Like, I love snow. My hair's not staying in place. But I do not love what the fuck's going on. Like, if I live in someplace that was, like, nice, like California, I'd live there. But yeah, I'd take my ass to the mountains in the wintertime to go snowboarding. I just don't understand it. I don't know what's going on. Like, I feel like Mother Nature is just PMSing right now so bad because she just needs to make up her mind on how she wants this winter to be. Like, this shit is crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, thumbs up, comment your thoughts on winter, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Basically on this channel I'm gonna be doing lots of stuff, from just talking about stuff like this, my perspective on news, pranks, Publix pranks, you know, all that good stuff. This is Bella. Say hi, Bella. Yeah, can you like that? But yeah, I also have a second channel called Morgan J Vlogs. I'll put a link in the description box. And you can just see vlogs and bloopers and extras on that channel. Hopefully by the time I get this channel up, or this video up on this channel, there should be a vlog up from New Year's, I want to say. And it gets a little loud in parts, so just a fair warning. But yeah, you'll be seeing a lot more videos from me. All my social media links will be below. And I'll see you guys next Friday. Yeah, I'll see you guys Monday and Friday. Bye.
Don't you think that it's boring how people talk?